So hello students, now we are going to discuss a topic of magnetic effect of electric current, class 12th, force between the two long straight current carrying parallel thin wire. Suppose that you are having these two wires, this one is a wire 1 and this one is a wire 2, and they are carrying current. They are long wire, they are thin wire, and they are kept parallel to each other, and suppose that they are current in upward direction. So we need to find how much force acting between them. What is the force between them? What will be the force if the current will be in same direction, and what will be the force if the current is in opposite direction? We need to find the magnitude of force as well as direction of the force. So for that purpose I make a diagram here. Suppose that there are two wires, long wires, thin wire, carrying current I1 and I2. This one is wire 1 and this one is a wire 2, and their separation is small d. We are assuming that. So what we need to find, how much force acting between them. So before starting this topic, we must know some previous topic recapitulation. Children, we know that if a wire carries a current I and there is any point P whose distance is r, and this wire is infinitely long, then the magnetic field at this point is mu naught upon 4 pi 2I by r. This is the strength of magnetic field at the point P, and the direction is current magnetic field is inward. So this one is a concept number 1. Now the second concept we discussed, magnetic force on a wire. If this is a magnetic field and this is a wire carrying current I at an angle theta, the length of the wire is L, then force acting on this wire is equal to BIL sin theta. There are two concepts. Force on a wire carries current in magnetic field is BIL sin theta, and magnetic field produced by a long wire is mu naught upon 4 pi 2I by r. Now we are going to use these two concepts to finding the force between the two long wire. So children, magnetic field produces by this wire 1 on the wire 2, by the wire 1 on the wire 2. So magnetic field on wire 2 due to current I1 because of this current is how much? B1 is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 by d. Mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 by d. And what is the direction? This is the current. Magnetic field will be inward. So this is the direction of B1. In the same manner, magnetic field on the wire 1, magnetic field on wire 1 due to current I2 because of this current. What is the value? Mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I2 by d. This one is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. So because of this wire, magnetic field is inward, and because of this wire, magnetic field is outward. So this is the magnetic field. Now we are going to discuss what is the force. So children, force acting on this wire. Since formula is F is equal to Bel sin theta, I can write like this, F by L Bi sin theta. So force acting on this wire, that means F2 upon L for per unit length is equal to, magnetic field is how much? It is the B1, current is I2, and what is the angle between theta, angle between magnetic field and current? Magnetic field is inward and current in this direction, so they are perpendicular. So sin 90. So I can write F2 by L, and from equation number 1 you can put the value. This equation, mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 by d, sin 90 is 1. So this is the force acting on the wire, this one. Equation number 3. And what is the direction of this force? Put your thumb in the direction of current. Magnetic field is inward. Thumb in the direction of current. Magnetic field is inward. So what is the direction of force? Force towards left. So this one is F2. Similarly, force on this wire. That means F1 by L is equal to B2 because magnetic field is B2. Current is I1 and angle between magnetic field and current is again 90 degree. So we can write B2, put the value of B2 here. Mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 by D. Equation number 4. Now if you are comparing, or what is the direction of F1? Current, magnetic field is outward, so force in this direction. This is the current, magnetic field is outward, so force in this direction. So this is the direction of force F1. Now we can compare equation 3 and 4. Their magnitudes are same. Their magnitudes are same. But what is the difference between them? Only in the direction. F1 towards right and F2 towards left. So I can say by comparing these two results 3 and 4, I can say F1 is equal to minus of F2. So it is very important result. That means it also obeys the Newton's third law of motion. Every action is equal and opposite reaction in the different bodies. So in general, we can write the force acting on a wire mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 by D into L. So this is general formula. Now by this formula you can also define 1 ampere. By this formula you can also define 1 ampere. So now we are going to define what is the definition of 1 ampere. So children, the formula is F by L is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 by D. When I put the value, mu naught upon 4 pi is 10 power minus 7. Suppose that both wire carries the current 1 ampere, 2 into 1 into 1, and distance between them is 1 meter. So what we get? 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter. So I can define 1 ampere is what? 1 ampere is a current. 1 ampere is a current which can produce a force per unit length of 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter in between the two long wire which are kept at 1 meter apart in vacuum. Okay. So by this statement you can also define the what is the meaning of 1 ampere. One more thing which I need to discuss here. Remember that when the direction of current is in same direction, the force is attractive in nature. Means both wire attract to each other. Now what will happen if the direction of current will be opposite? If the direction of current will be opposite. Now look here. Magnetic field because of this current I1 on this wire is inward. Magnetic field because of this current on this wire is also inward. That means B1 and B2 both are inward. Now what is the direction of force? Current, magnetic field is inward, so force in this side. Current, magnetic field, force this side. That means if the current are in opposite direction, they will repel to each other. If the current are in same direction, they will attract to each other. So in this lecture, we discuss what is the magnitude of force between the two long current carrying wire, what is the nature of the force, and what is the definition of 1 ampere. Thank you.